we got 4 flashes here on the smart valve. It's just showing the limit switch open. So what I noticed, as you saw, the furnace fired up because the fan didn't turn on. The first thing you want to do is that. Get a visual inspection. That's going to be a 10 microfarad. 7.3. It's quite low. Not low enough to not turn on. What we get if we just go straight chain. I like to do it. Let's do it. Manual spin. Nope. What I did was I just spin started the motor, because even if the capacitor were bad, it would still start. See if I can check my voltage. .6. No, that's not it. Should be getting 120. So the board is shot. See if I can see anything interesting. So here we got a resistor that's looking pretty hot. About 130 degrees. Let's do our hot spot. Take the cool spot off. 150 degree resistor there. 160 degree resistor down here. Relays look nice, look cool, look good. But yeah, it's definitely the board at this point. Do it. Gotta get these 12 off again. Got it. Okay. Cool. Cool. L1. L1. Another L1. L1. Cool, L1, L1. Got 24 volts in from your transformer. Transformer common. Transformer. Let's see here. This harness here. Neutrals. Two. tap. Here. And our M1 and M2 park. So let's just use none unused for our parks. And then go low voltage. And that's in. Do our R over here. Switched. Here. I'm gonna do white. Yellow. Green. And then our common. Alrighty, let's go ahead and fire it up. Switch on. Blower. Beautiful. My thermostat set to heat mode. Another thing you want to make sure you get this here jumper. Don't ever forget that their jumper goes in here. I'm using the Smart Valve SV941 series. So now if we fire it up,